My channel. Today topic is the slider in the Flutter. And sync this slider with the audio URL. So get started. You need first a package here. I just imported it, and in the public spec file, you can just go from here and public spec file. You need to mention the audio player and define the versions. What versions you are using? In my case, I am using 5.2.0 version. Okay, so first of all, this thing is necessary, and after that we need to import the package here. Import the package audio player and then audio player. After that, you need to create a instance in your state. In your state, you need to create a instance audio player. You can say audio player is equals to audio player. Okay, so this is the class instance of the audio player package, and then you need to 3 or 4 other variables like durations and boolean and the durations of the position. So we are just based here as playing durations and the positions. So for that purpose, I am just keeping the first thing. I'm just keeping it the state of the player. What is the state of the player and what is the seek is going on? Where is the seek is going on? So just put it. Player is the instance. My instance is the audio player. Let's change it player to audio player to player. Okay, so then after that we need to get the durations. Okay, and store these durations into my global variable. On duration change is get the listener and takes and returns the new durations, and this new durations will save the my global variable duration. Okay, so then we need one more thing is the position. And what the position does, and position is basically tells us where is your seek lies. Its function name is on position change. Its instance, basically this class is an instance, and this instance is a method belongs to the displayer class. Okay, so step one is the package importing, a package mentioned in the public spec file, then importing. Then the second step is importing, and the third step is to creating the instance of the package. This is the instance of the package, and put it the other variables as well. And the step number 3 is create the error state, and in an state you will define this all the stuff here. Okay, so what is the next step? Next step is basically we are just going to the builder function and widget builder. And widget builder, you can see we have the container center widget. This is the center widget, and in this center widgets we have the column. One is the text and second is the number. So we don't need this column, so I am just removing it, and just put the child, and in this child we need a column here. This is this const we need to suppose put it. Okay, so what is the idea behind? Idea is that we have the slider bar, and then we have the button to control the play and pause. Okay, so for the slider would be here, and we can just okay. So slider is here. What is the purpose of the red lines? To remove the constant because position is the dynamic value. Okay, so max value would be the durations. Minimum value 0 and maximum value would be the durations. This is the 5. This is not the true. So durations dot in seconds dot to double. Okay, so it will take the durations. What the durations we are just mentioned in the inner state, it will take the durations from the inner state. Okay, so slider is a possible thing, and then we need an icon button. After the slider we need an icon button. Icon button is basically as play and pause your slider. So we need an icon button, and in this icon button we are mentioning the URL of the audio sample audio. Okay, so our work has been done. So now here we go, our slider is running. So if you are giving some time, so this slider is moving forward because the audio duration is too large. So this is moving with respect to the audio, so this takes a little bit time. As you can see, this is moving forward towards. Okay, so the button size is little bit small. So what we can I do, I can do the button size is greater, and I just parse the size, and 50 is suitable for us. If I save it, then size is the small greater, and if I play, the icon is playing and the audio is playing, and this is moving the forward. If I pause it, so your audio has been stopped, and this slider also has been stopped. So this is a slider tutorial, and if you want to place the image out of here and some text, so you can put it here.